Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a super simple set because I really wanted to do something clean and I wanted to use this milky white. I did my nails prior with some clear acrylic, which is something I normally don't do. I usually do a nude, but I had bought some new acrylic and I really wanted to try it out. So once I was done, I was like, let me try this little color on there because I really wanted to go for something like clean. So just side note, today I decided to do this design with a white on top. However, it was not giving what I thought it was going to give in my head. So I ended up having to switch it up a little bit and do a different design. But by this time, y'all, I had somewhere to go. And I really wanted to do something that was like eye-catching at this point because I'm like, yeah, the classic clean wasn't working. So after I cured this for about 60 seconds, I did not wipe off the tacky layer. I remembered I had these flexi stamps that come from Maniology. This is the one that you can like enlarge or shrink your design. So I think if you push it all the way up, it shrinks, and if you push it all the way down, it enlarges. So I had it all the way down so I can work smarter, not harder. So this is a kit they sent me like a while back. So I have used it before and kind of got an opportunity to really figure it out because I am new to the stamping game. Okay, so I'm not a pro when it comes to the stamps. So I've done several sets. I'll post some of those videos later because a lot of them were fails, but I do feel like they could be useful to somebody who is learning as well as me. And so the one thing that I've learned as I've done these stamps is to make sure that you apply enough of the polish onto the plate, because when you do too little, it gets patchy. So it's better to put a little more and just scrape it off with one nice clean scrape. Don't double scrape, because what I've learned too, double scraping, I end up with holes. So I don't know, y'all. This has been a learning curve for me, but I am really dedicated to mastering this because y'all know how I get. When I feel like I cannot get something, I'm going to keep going because I want to get it right. The design, I really wasn't sure where I was going with it because like I said, this is not my initial plan, but at this moment I had somewhere to go. So I'm like, let me try to get these stamps and see if I can get it to look like something. So, that was pretty much what I did. I'm literally picking all the random designs on the plate that I thought was cute. Now I have several plates from Maniology. But this one is the most recent one that I picked up from them. And this is supposed to be the pop art one. So I was really like, I think this one might, do what I needed to do. This little nail stamper, though, is supposed to be able to enlarge and shrink designs. So I did make sure, like I said earlier, that I had it. I think, so that blue part you see inside, I had it down. If you have it down, then it enlarges your image. If you have it up, then it shrinks your image. So pretty much, y'all, after I randomly stamped every nail, I decided to do like a little French just to give one a little spice. But as y'all can see, this is messy. Now, it's probably user error, and I have tried it with gel polish and it just did not work properly. I feel like it probably could have worked, but it thins out the gel in a weird way and it kind of gets a little distorted. You usually have to do about 2 or 3 coats to get it to work. And I tried like little cheap brands as well. They work as well. Like regular generic polishes, they work. But I do like the nail stamp polish a little bit better than just a traditional cheap little Walmart polish. If you're going to use the other polishes, just make sure they're not the quick dry. And then the other thing is, guys, I top coat with their top coat every time, but I do hair. So to make sure that I don't lose my design from doing hair, I do wait till it dries thoroughly, and then I come through with a gel, my favorite gel top coat, just to kind of seal it in and make sure that I don't mess it up with all the wear and tear that my hands and nails go through. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think of this set. It actually, to me, like came through like I wasn't expecting for me to like it. I don't love it, but I do like it. I think if I would have had a little bit more time, I probably could have really made myself love it. But just let me know what y'all think. If y'all like this set, leave some little black and white hearts in the comment section. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe. And I hope that y'all have an amazing day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.